Hello, this is Gregory. I'll show you how to stop the robot immediately in the middle of an autonomous program. Why would you do that? So if during manual driving you want to incorporate some autonomous pieces and the time of the match is up and the robot keeps moving, your team will be disqualified. It means you need a tool to stop the robot from moving and make sure that you comply with the rules. So first you need to designate a button for panic. For instance, when the controller button E down is pressed, you stop the project. You go to controls and the last command stop project. Okay, so that looks pretty simple. However, it's dangerous because it cannot be undone. And if the project is stopped, you cannot move the robot at all. And if you press the button accidentally, your match will be ruined. So you need to put some safeguards. How about you stop the program only if the robot, if you press the button twice. So first, when started, the program will wait until this button is pressed. And then it will give you a warning. Of course, it's optional, like siren. And wait for 0.2 seconds. That's the time you remove your finger from the button. And if you do it again, it will wait for another hit. And if you do it again, that it will stop the project. Of course, you can do it with 3 clicks or 4 clicks, and sounds are optional. It can be anywhere in between this simple, unprotected program and this one with safeguards. So let's see how it works. Let's download that. Run, and anywhere in the program, you press it once, and if you press it again, and the project stops. But you'll need it only if you are doing autonomous programming and manual from the same program.